This machine feels like it was built with one goal in mind: deliver uncompromising performance in a clean and polished package. The HP Corsair Vengeance i5100 stands out right away with a design that looks premium without trying too hard. The black and gray finish combined with a clear side panel gives you a full view of the internal components, and everything inside looks neat, structured, and high quality. The RGB lighting adds just enough style without becoming distracting, which makes the entire setup feel balanced and professional. Once you power it on, the real story begins. The system is driven by the Intel Core i9-14900KF, and it shows incredible speed across every task. From high-end gaming to heavy creative workloads, everything runs smoothly and consistently. It is built for users who want top-level responsiveness. Whether you are switching between apps, rendering videos, or playing the latest games at max settings, this processor keeps things fast and stable. Graphics performance is handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super, and this is where things get seriously impressive. Games run at ultra settings with high frame rates and stunning visual clarity. Ray tracing enhances lighting and reflections, while DLSS helps boost performance without losing quality, making gameplay smoother and more immersive. This GPU also delivers excellent results for creators working with demanding software, making it a versatile powerhouse for both gaming and productivity. One of the most important aspects of any high-performance system is cooling, and this setup does not disappoint. The liquid cooling solution keeps temperatures under control even during extended sessions. This means the system can maintain peak performance without overheating or getting too loud. The overall experience remains quiet and efficient, which is a big plus for long hours of use. Memory is another strong point, with 32 GB of Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 RAM. This ensures fast multitasking and smooth operation across multiple demanding applications. You can run games, stream content, edit videos, and keep everything open at the same time without slowdowns. The RGB design also complements the overall look of the system, adding a modern and high-end touch. Storage comes in the form of a 2TB M2 SSD, which provides quick boot times, fast data access, and plenty of space for games, files, and software. Everything loads quickly and runs smoothly, which enhances the overall user experience and keeps up with the powerful hardware inside. What really ties everything together is the build quality and attention to detail. From airflow management to cable organization, everything feels thoughtfully designed. This is not just a powerful PC, it is a complete system that delivers reliability, performance, and a premium feel from start to finish. If you are looking for a high-end gaming and productivity machine that can handle anything you throw at it, this system is definitely worth considering. You can check more details and availability through the link in the description and take your setup to the next level.